Hi, I'm Tolly Mosley,
And I'm Renee Geneva.
and you can check us out at ecosheetclothing.com. Sometimes I get t-shirts and they're really too tight around the neck.
Well, why don't we go over today making a neckline bigger in a t-shirt?
That'd be great.
Okay. The tools that we have for you today are scissors, pins, a measuring tape, and a sewing machine. The first thing we do is we take our t-shirt.
Okay.
And we decide how much bigger we want it. Would you like it to be a V, or would you like it to be all the way around bigger? Because it fits you on the shoulders up here.
I think I'd like it to be a V.
Okay. All right. So what we can do is we can measure. How far down you want it. So 2 inches?
Yeah, sure.
So the first step you want to do is to pin the shoulder seams together on your t-shirt. And the easiest way to make your neckline bigger, and of course there's many ways to do it, but the way I'm going to show you today is how to make a little V in it. So we marked the 2 inches down, and now we want to take the center. So I'm going to put a pin in the center of the V and open it up. Put a mark where the original pin was, because that's how far down you want it.
Okay.
So we mark the middle, and we mark the spot that you want it to go down to. We are simply going to take the scissors.
Okay.
We're just going to cut down to that mark. Now from here, you can take a piece of binding, or you can simply turn it in and sew.
Got it.
So I'm going to take the pin and pin it. Then I will pin the other side. Because this is a V, one of the easier ways to do it is just sew down to the little point and then sew back up from that point.
They want.
All right, so now you have successfully widened your neckline and you've made a cute little V in the front. So,
Cute.
would you like to try it on?
Sure. Looks pretty awesome.